Whoa! Oh no! This was supposed to be my snow vehicle. This was going to be the snow rescue vehicle with the lockers in the front and the back. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, I have two problems. Something's wrong with my Jeep. Let's find out. Get you aimed right here. Let's find out if my little transmission fluid trick worked, because I have not moved this since. You can hear the fuel pump. Doesn't sound like it's grabbed any fuel yet. I guess it has. Now we're in neutral. Let's see if it grabs on the way out. Well, that answers that question. Given that's the first time I've moved this, we'll say the jury's still out. Alright, let's get the Jeep in there and find out something has definitely broken on it. I think it's sway bar. But we're going to find out. Gonna work on it outside. And then I remembered I have a garage. I don't need to work on it outside. Probably not the best place to jack up the Jeep, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Something feels broken. It's floating all over the road. I don't know if it's the end links on the sway bar broke or the track bar in the back, but we're going to check them one by one here. Grab a light. Okay, big light, little tripod. This one is still on there. I don't see anything broken there. Let's check the other side. Oh, clunky clunky. I don't see anything broken on this one. I suppose we should check. It's hard to get you in here. That's still attached. Let's check the other one. Oh, bumped your head. I don't see anything wrong here yet, so let's go to the back end. See if we can find anything wrong back there. I'm gonna guess if we find anything, it's gonna be that track bar. Let's just take a little peek. If that's it, then we'll jack it up proper. I don't want to take the wheels off the ground because it might roll. Okay. Alright, let's turn the light back on. Well, let's take a look. Where I thought it was going to be detached, it is not. So I don't see anything on this side. Let's try the other side. I tell you, it is about 150% humidity here right now. I thought I can't get I can't get you in there. I thought I'd find this broken, but I don't. Somebody's been in there, huh? Let's go around the front. Oh, I got stuck. Whoa! Oh no! Well, that right there might be the problem. What do we do about that? Okay, well, it's been nice knowing your $2,500 Jeep. That's going to take some thinking. If you know what I can do about this, let me know. I would greatly appreciate the advice. If anybody in the southeastern Massachusetts area knows how to fix this and would like to come and help me out, let me know. Because I think I found the problem. I do not have the words to continue. So, I think we'll call it a day. Put this back outside, put the Model T back in. I suppose we can do that, see if it jumps again on the way back in. But yeah, I'm thinking that might be the issue I have with being all over the road. Now this broke somewhere between 5 and 10 miles ago, and I drove it home. It was a little squirrely, but it stayed on the road. Lovely. All right, back to the Model T. Now I got two broken vehicles. Hopefully this one heals itself. Because I am out of cash. There's your view. See if it jumps again. It didn't jump. I am pleased it did not jump. I can only handle one broken thing at a time around here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to need some help if I'm going to do anything with this. Beyond part out, I hate to do it. It's a nice Jeep. If I can find another frame, another running gear maybe. Maybe somebody out there has another TJ running gear that we could build up. Would you like to see that? Now start from wheels, frame, and just build a whole new Jeep, and then throw this tub on. I could be down for that. Maybe somebody would want to trade a camper for another Jeep that we could rebuild using parts from this one. Unless we can fix the frame real cheap. If we can fix the frame real cheap, I'll go that route. If this side's bad, then the other side's going to be bad. This was supposed to be my snow vehicle. This was going to be the snow rescue vehicle with the lockers in the front and the back. And the economy just went down the toilet and ruined that plan completely. Please put a comment. What should I do about this? Throw a comment down there. Come on. Come on, guys. It's a comment. It takes you 10 seconds to type it out and hit the button. Need some support here. Is it worth saving? You tell me. Is this vehicle worth saving? Because I am going to need some big time help. A little stain on the seat. It's got the carpet all in it. 3-speed automatic. You tell me, am I saving it or am I scrapping it? If this video hits 1 million views, I'll save it, definitely. And we'll build another one on camera. Alright. It's a sad day. Sad day in the Jeep world. See you in the next one.